Hello friends, today we are making gulabjamun sizzling brownie. We need 4 ingredients of this: chocolate syrup, gulabjamun, vanilla ice cream and sponge cake. See, I am preparing my gulabjamun. Its color is changed. You can see it, guys. Seeing this gulab jamun, my mouth is watering now. Now I am making ice cream. I am making vanilla ice cream. You can make any flavor for it, but in brownie we use vanilla ice cream. See guys, I am just thinking sizzler. See, I am making vanilla sponge cake and I have put some roasted dry fruits to make a taste. Now I will keep my cake for baking. See guys, my gulab jamun are also ready and my ice cream. In the sponge cake, now I am cutting the slices of the brownie. And the chocolate syrup is ready. See guys, I am pouring my chocolate syrup in a teapot. Now I will tell how I decorated my sizzling brownie. See guys. First I will take slice of sponge cake and now I have put 2 gulab jamuns on a sponge cake. See guys. Now I am putting a scoop on gulab jamun of vanilla ice cream that we have made earlier. And now I am putting my chocolate syrup. Wow, it looks so yummy. Do you want to eat it? Then make it at home and eat it. See, I have put in some sprinkles. You can put some dry fruit and chocolates also. See, my sizzling brownie is ready. Bye friends.